Next startup is called Comin, and they want to provide integrated e-commerce solutions for content websites and owners and sellers of goods. Good luck, Oleg.
Hello. Hello, my name is Oleg, and I am the CEO of Comin. We are enhancing online revenue through impulse buying. What is impulse buying? Have you ever been to a store to buy bread and then you walk it out with chocolate in your hand? Many people had this experience. It is called impulse buying. Retailers do this all the time. Unfortunately, online impulse buying is quite difficult. Why? However, when you see an advertisement on the blog page and you click it, it actually takes you to a different store. You need to use new interface, and then, in order to do purchase, you need to go through complicated checkout process. It is not impulse buying at all. Unfortunately, it is how all affiliate marketing works today. And it is most popular way of monetization for bloggers. But affiliate marketing is laborious, time-consuming, and requires special skills. As a result, near 70% of bloggers earn zero money. Imagine that bloggers could make their millions of followers spend an average $10 directly on their website. This is exactly what we are enabling them to do. By doing so, we are opening up a brand new market worth $50 billion annually for bloggers. So, the solution is an e-commerce widget which is embedded in the content of the blog. It allows readers to make an impulse purchase directly on the blog page. For example, when you read some article, you can see the Comin widget with product which is tied to the content of the blog page. You can click on the widget and view detailed information about these goods. You can make purchase with a simple checkout, just close the pop-up and stay in the original page. It is easy to use, easy to understand. As a result, it enhances conversion rate 1.5 times. We made a proof of concept in the US market where we have tested our system and we are launching with 20 partners in the UA market. Of course, we will go to the largest market later on. Our business model is quite simple. We get a fee from each sale. If the price of good is $30, we will get up to $1.8 from this sale. The global e-commerce market is $2.77 trillion, and it is still growing fast. 23% of this revenue is generated through affiliate marketing, and quarter of this goes through blog websites. Of course, there are a lot of competitors on this huge market, but all of them work on a different principles. They redirect readers to the different page, and they don't tie the product to the content of this page. We have a great team with a lot of experience in development, marketing, e-commerce, and so on. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any questions, I will answer them with pleasure.
Two questions. First is, how are you going to acquire bloggers?
Oh, thank you for your question. We have a strong go-to-market strategy for this task, for this issue, because we need to attract bloggers and merchants at all. So we plan few steps for this issue, for create this issue. We have strategy with payment channels, for example, like social networks, and we are planning to build a strong sales department. We have experience in building fuels early. That's why we know how to attract all kinds of customers in our system, into our system.
And do you have any intellectual property?
We don't have. We have all our intellectual property is domain name and to our code. Yes, of course, we have it. But we don't have any patents because this is just a code. We close it.
Okay.
Your solution seems to be easy to duplicate. So, are you going to protect somehow from the competitors?
Okay, thanks. the main point is we build network with partners. On the one side is the partners like affiliates, bloggers, digital mass media, etc. In the second part is merchants who has products. We synchronize their catalogs into our system. This is not simple system, not simple. This is not so simple to develop it. We made it 10 months with our company. Of course, who have a lot of funds can do it, but they need also to build ecosystem, relationship with partners.
Thanks. Quickly, I'm trying to understand how the thing actually works. If I have 3 tabs open and I want to buy something from each of 3 different bloggers, does it come to a single transaction, or do I have to make 3 transactions?
Oh, that's a great question. Thank you. When you made first purchase, you don't need to sign up into our system. We save your personal data, and you can buy it very quickly. Just one click to pay.
Please tell me, does your solution work on every device, mobile, tablets, web browsers? And does it work also with browsers which have ad blockers?
Thank you. Of course, we create multiple platform solution, and we adopt it for mobiles and tablets also. About AdBlock, our system don't blocked by AdBlock. Yeah, cause it's iframe.
Can you remind about your traction?
Great question. I can tell just yesterday, during my, I have semi-final pitch. I had 2 sales, cause we just start 2 weeks ago. We don't have a lot of revenue, but we have few 20 or 20 plus sales from one partner, one affiliate. It's not big affiliate. He has not a lot of traffic. That's why I can tell about these numbers. But we have negotiation, and we are launching pilots with big digital mass media like 1+1, tsn.ua, etc. pink.ua, and because that's why in the next months we want to get much more revenue.
Okay, thank you, Oleg. Big round of applause, please.
Thank you.